So historically, companies train their people by running programs face-to-face. That's the approach that we've been doing in FAST for a long time. In fact, we have a learning center in Cabuyao. Now, because of our size, we have over 13,000 employees already. It is no longer sustainable with the limited amount of classrooms, training rooms in our learning center, and the limited number of facilitators to run all the programs we want to run for the number of employees we have. So as years evolve, we've introduced actually LMS a few years ago, but it hasn't been properly maximized. So in a world of digitization, automation, it's only prudent for us to find different interventions and solutions that will cater to our needs moving forward, to a fast-growing company. So it's important that we find solutions that will cater to individual needs as well as company needs to develop our people and grow our people as we grow as well.
The Learning Management System is an online platform where employees can access courses, training materials, and learning resources anytime, anywhere.
It provides that flexibility. So, yung growth natin hinges on us upskilling our people. And individuals have different levels of skills, and therefore there's a need for them to go on individualized learning.
One of the best things about our LMS is its flexibility. It supports various types of content, including videos, presentations, quizzes, and interactive modules. This means our employees can learn in a way that suits their preferences and learning styles.
Well, the LMS aligns with our strategic objective of continuously developing our employees. By embracing this learning innovation, we increase our training efficiency and drive organizational agility.
I am Carlos, a member of FAST faculty. Nag-invest si FAST sa mga internal and external training and certifications program ko. Dahil sa FAST, nakatapos ako ng bachelor's degree sa Operations Management in Lyceum of the Philippines under the ETIAP. Ako ay mayroon ding NC2 certification for Heavy Equipment Operations Forklift, Certified National Technical Vocational Trainer, and accredited din as Assessor for HEO Forklift.
Ang FAST LMS ay nagbibigay sa akin ng access sa maraming learning resources ni FAST. Mga modules, online courses, microlearning videos na magpapalawak ng aking kaalaman at kasanayan.
Dahil sa FAST LMS, mas madali na ang pagtuturo sa aming mga fast learners at meron pang maayos na documentation ng training records. Noon, traditional ang approach, need talagang face-to-face ang interactions with learners and manual ang documentation na masyadong matagal gawin. Di ako makapag-focus sa facilitation ng programs. But now, I'm happy dahil meron na kaming magagamit na digital tool to enhance learning experience for our fast learners.
LMS isn't just about technology for me, it's about empowering myself and transform how I work. It allows us fast learners to onboard quickly and effectively, saving time and resources. FAST already has in-person workshops, seminars, and webinars focused related to our roles. I am glad that FAST incorporated this tool and embraced a combination of in-person and virtual experiential training programs.
Well, we envision the LMS as a strategic tool that not only supports individual learning and development, but also aligns with our company's overall goals and objectives, driving performance, engagement, and competitiveness in the market.